Up people, this is your boy Crypto Salvo here, and today we'll be talking about Alliance Block Protocol. That's right, we'll be talking about ALBT, which is the ticker for the Alliance Block project, where they are bridging the traditional finance and decentralized finance together. I have a friend here, I have a person here who have mentioned Mr. Juan. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. He has asked, can you make a video showing how staking is done through MetaMask, because I get an error when I try to do staking, please. Alright, so I'll be going through briefly on how to go about the staking process in the Alliance Block liquidity mining. If you would ask me personally, I have not done so yet. Because I believe the user interface could be much more simpler, where but however, they are already simple for some, so I just want to show how it's done. And personally, I do not like MetaMask wallet because firstly, there's outrageous fees by Ethereum's network and all. So it's either we use the BSC mainnet or the Ethereum mainnet. So we can see how there will be two mainnets supported in the Alliance Block liquidity mining. Later we'll be taking a look at that. So I'll be giving a brief overview of how staking is done in the Alliance Block protocol liquidity mining. That's right. So firstly, there are new partnerships for Alliance Block protocol, where Alliance Block is partnering with Pangolin, and also they have a new row of partners that needs to be done, because Eldron, our Eagle, right, they have partnered with Eldron. And so there are new partners coming up, they're racking in new partners. We see here Alliance Block x Eldron. And I see how Alliance Block's ecosystem is continuously growing. And we'll be seeing that in the coming days, in the coming months. And we can see that reflect on the price and value of the token itself. Now, these are the tokenomics of Alliance Block protocol, where the real money and power lies in the regulated TradFi traditional finance sector, where trillions and trillions of dollars are protected by regulation and compliance. This is the market that Alliance Block is disrupting. Could you imagine trillions and trillions of dollars? Could you imagine the price of Alliance Block when it is a $1 trillion asset, or when its market cap is $1 trillion? It is going to be insane, right? You may think that DOT or Polkadot is huge with its market cap and its price. You may think that Chainlink is huge, but guess what? Alliance Block has not even hit its engine yet. It's not even gone its full speed and gear yet, right? With such a scarce circulating supply, of course not scarce as Quant, but much more scarce than DOT. I believe DOT has about 930 million circulating supply, but however, Alliance Block has about 272 million, right? So it is crazy scarce compared to DOT. And if DOT could be in top 10, right, how much more Alliance Block, right? Alliance Block has a similar circulating supply to Solana, and you see Solana skyrocketed to almost $100, right? So we'll be seeing that happening for Alliance Block in the coming months as new partnerships start coming in. Now, what are the tokenomics? ALBT behaves as a central bank. A treasury pool acts as the reserve for the ecosystem. Currently 30% of Alliance Block is locked in staking contracts. So this is what today we'll be having a focus on. We'll be focusing on, and how the community is constantly rewarded financially through these tokens. And also Alliance Block will utilize the delegated proof of stake consensus model to secure the network. Now, why the Alliance Block? Why Alliance Block? It removes regulations preventing TradFi from accessing DeFi. It improves process efficiencies, material cost reduction, also saves time, and introduces innovation, encourages innovations, and allow investors from anywhere to bypass a legal framework, right? So there is a very high standard for legal compliance in the Alliance block protocol as well. And also it's the first mover in being a global market of capital flow. So we can see traditional finance communicating with the DeFi, decentralized finance, in a two-way kind of communication, where both of them can now use the Alliance block protocol to flow trillions and trillions of money that is stored in these markets, right? So the growth and development of Alliance block is plans to build a decentralized ecosystem that will lay the framework for the future of investment banking. Also, it has a collaboration with London Stock Exchange. This I showed in the previous video, that is huge, because a London Stock Exchange is using Alliance block protocol, and they have a collaboration, which means that they can tap into stocks, derivatives, that market. You know, that's $1 trillion market, so we can be looking at that even. So it works with the best in the crypto space, where Vector Space, Link Quant, Energy Web Token, Ocean API Tree. These are the house favorites for people who are quamfied or quamfied, right? They say people who love quant, people who love Vector Space, they love Alliance block. And also the Link Marines, right? They also are in favor of Alliance block. Now they have 48 developers working for them, secured Binance 100 million DeFi accelerator fund to support dissolving the barriers between DeFi plus TradeFi. Alright, so we see there's a new listing today, I believe today or in the past week, where CoinX has listed Alliance block. That's right, CoinX has listed Alliance block. This is bullish, man, right? I believe CoinX looks like it's a Malaysian exchange, because it seems to be written in Malaysian language, but regardless, right, it has been listed on an exchange, which means there's more exposure for people to access and buy Alliance block token, right? For those who want to look into Alliance block, do your own research. Please evaluate your risk portfolio before getting into the cryptocurrency space, or even getting Alliance block. Do your own research, go to their website, check out what they are doing truly, and try to understand what market and why are they targeting that market, the TradeFi and DeFi market. Now, we know that Alliance block is a huge partner with Avalanche, and recently you have been seeing Avalanche in terms of price appreciation has been almost 3xing. If you had bought it at around 9 USD or 15 USD, you would be almost 3x or 4x your money by now, right? So it says 600k wrapped Alliance block reward for a 2-month period, 300k wrapped Alliance block per month, APY started at 2,300%. So this is found in DeFi term .io/staking, right, where there's a wrapped Alliance block pool with AVAX in this liquidity mining pool, I believe is staking. Yeah. So now Alliance Bridge v1.1 now supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and Energy Web Chain. So these guys are the main hitters for Alliance block, right? Where Alliance block has different products. You know, we have the Alliance Bridge, then we have the liquidity mining, we have the data tunnel, and we have staking, we have the DeFi terminal. So these are the different products that Alliance block protocol is offering. Like in the previous video I mentioned, if you have not checked that out, if you have not checked my previous video out on Alliance block, do check it out. It's more comprehensive, it's longer, and you can check it out on my channel, right? Alright, now in terms of price appreciation, Alliance block has actually hit almost $1, you know. Well, I guess people were impatient enough to actually get some profits locked in though. But if we had been a little more patient, we could have seen $1 Alliance block, and that is the beginning, guys. That's not even the end. that is the beginning. I see a bullish trend here. There's higher highs, right? So we will be seeing there is a pullback here because Bitcoin, our dear Bitcoin, is not doing so well. 46.8k currently for Bitcoin, and it's not stopping. I see it crashing actually. So currently shorts are in control, shorts are enjoying, the bears are in control right now. There is a volume that's weak for Bitcoin, right? Let's take a look at that. The RSI also indicates that we'll be going a little bit lower, and you see the volume here. Even the volume for the buying volume is actually much smaller than the previous days or the past week, right? So Alliance block, we will be truly seeing a double digit real soon. When it hits $10, man, there is FOMO gonna kick in. So if you are not in to Alliance block, if you have not done your own research, please check it out. Not financial advice. None of what I've said here or written here is financial advice. Please do check out Alliance block in your own time, right? And visit their official website to check out what they are currently doing. So finally, to address briefly on what Mr. Juan asked in terms of staking. So what can we do is basically let's go to Alliance block. Okay, Alliance block, and then we can see Alliance bridge, liquidity mining, data tunnel, and DeFi terminal, right? So these are the products that's being offered. So now what can we do? We will go to the part where there's liquidity mining. So I've already opened it, liquidity mining, and then you have two options, Ethereum or BSC mainnet. Okay, so what I would do is I would press, you'll see here what are the wallets connected: Trust Wallet, Rainbow, MetaMask. I loved Trust Wallet until they decided to remove the decentralized exchanges option, where we can actually just go search up in the website to connect our wallet directly to either Uniswap or PancakeSwap or whatever. It was so easy, but I don't know why they removed it. But nevertheless, if you have MetaMask, connect your MetaMask, put in your seed phrase or restore your seed phrase. If you forgot your password, put in your password, then it will ask whether you want to connect your MetaMask wallet to Alliance block liquidity mining. Say yes, and it will show a green tick, right? Once that's done, you will see your address pop up here, which means it's already been connected. And also when you open your MetaMask, there'll be a green signal there when you are in this website, which shows that you are connected to this Alliance block liquidity mining. Now, where is staking then? This is liquidity mining campaigns. Staking is when you press this button here, there is staking. So you press that. So hold on. So when you press that, yeah, staking, and then sorry, just now it came. Give me a moment. Yeah, that's right, it's loading, right? All right, so while it loads, I'll just show basically how to do it. As you can see in the background. Yep. So you basically press stake, and then you press the value of the Alliance block token you have in your MetaMask, right? If you want to change to BSC mainnet, then you can use your Binance Smart Chain wallet and get your Alliance block protocol, Alliance block tokens to be staked, right? But currently, I believe but I usually think that people use Ethereum mainnet because it's a little more easier. So you can check it out, press stake, and then put the amount of tokens you want to add, and then press stake, right? So that is pretty much it. That's how easy it is with Alliance block staking option, right? So currently we have like almost $11 million worth of Alliance block that are being staked right now. So many people are actually getting passive income out of this, right? So imagine when Alliance block hits $10, $20, these people are gonna be rich. And you know, like I said, do your own research. You know, of course you do not want to miss out, but do not FOMO in when Alliance block is mooning or when it's going up in price, right? Of course, do your own research before that and check it out. Right, so I hope, Mr. Joan, I have briefly explained how to stake with Alliance block, right? If you still need help in regards to this, do check out the YouTube videos that other YouTubers also will be releasing. I believe in the coming months there will be much more clarity on how to do staking for Alliance block protocol, and also I'll be giving a more extensive review on how to stake. I'll be showing you by transferring my own Alliance block tokens through Ethereum, and then showing you how I'm actually putting it into the staking pools directly in live right before y'all. That's right. Right now I'm just showing you briefly on how to do that. You know, currently I do not have Alliance block tokens in my MetaMask. I have it in an exchange. So when I actually decide to stake, when I plan to stake, I will show you a live, you know, tutorial on how to do that. That's right. Anyways, it's good to see y'all. It's good to talk to y'all after so long time, because I have been away for a few days because I've not been feeling too well, and so now I'm back, man. Now I'm back with some fresh energy, bringing to the table and talking about my favorite cryptocurrencies out there. I had to jump on board and talk about Alliance block because of what's been happening with its price. It's skyrocketing. That's right. I believe, once again, the price prediction I gave in the previous video, do check that out. What's my price prediction for the video? I believe it is gonna do a Solana. That's right, or even more than a Solana. So with that being said, comment down what are your thoughts on Alliance block, and what's your price prediction by the end of year or by early next year. What is the price prediction for Alliance block protocol? With that being said, I'll see you all later. Take care. CryptoCello out.